Why this exercise is not being undertaken by the state as to whether a person who is between 16 to 18 years of age, he has to be tried as an adult or he has to be tried as a juvenile. Why this act, why this step is not being taken? क्या फर्क होगा बताइए? उससे एज डिटर्मिनेशन की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. When a juvenile is between 16 to 18 years of age, there is a provision as to whether he will be tried as an adult or he will be tried as a juvenile. दोनों में क्या फर्क होगा बताइए? हीनियस ऑफेंस नहीं है 302 है ना? तो फिर आप लोग क्यों नहीं असेसमेंट करते? क्या फर्क होगा इसमें? पनिशमेंट में क्या फर्क होगा? नहीं पता है ना, लिखा देंगे हम ऑर्डर में कि आपको नहीं पता. काफी अच्छा पनिशमेंट हो सकता है, काफी ज्यादा पनिशमेंट हो सकता है. और इसमें तो 3 ही साल में कहानी खत्म. फिर आप स्टेट है ना, आप ये एक्सरसाइज क्यों नहीं करते? बताइए, आपके कौन है डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ प्रोसिक्यूशन? उन्हीं से एफिडेविट करवाएंगे. यहाँ पे जुवेनाइल जस्टिस में ये कहानी नहीं चलने देंगे हम लोग. इनका असेसमेंट करा के लेके आइए. व्हाई दिस असेसमेंट इज नॉट बीइंग मेड? This assessment is not being made, and the state council, whosoever is representing, is not taking steps for this assessment. These persons are being tried just as a juvenile. बस 3 साल का सजा, कहानी खत्म. ये एक्सरसाइज क्यों नहीं हो रहा है आपकी तरफ से? अच्छा, अगर मान लीजिए एज एन अडल्ट उसका ट्रायल होता है, देन अंडर सच सर्कमस्टांसेस द ट्रायल इज कंडक्टेड बाय whom? बट दिस इज नॉट बीइंग डन बाय द जुवेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड. ऐसे आप लोग नहीं कर सकते. मतलब माहौल बना के रख दिए हैं. You made a fun of the law. Take care of this case, and you issue your necessary instructions to your prosecution team. That this is absolutely necessary. This is not a solitary case. There are numerous such cases which I am coming across where the child is between 16 to 18 years of age. 376, 302.
Article 87, Resolution 1419 of 2023.
Yes.
This prayer is for Betty to Zulu. In case registered under section 302 of the Act. Altogether, 12 persons are named in the first information report.
What is the age of the petitioner?
17 years.
At the time of occurrence?
17 years. As it
17 years. Has there been any assessment of the petitioner as to whether he will be tried as a juvenile or as an adult?
Don't understand.
No such assessment has been done. Why the state is not undergoing this assessment?
So there is provision in section 15 where that should
Why
have been
this?
done.
Why this exercise is not being undertaken by the state as to whether a person who is between 16 to 18 years of age, he has to be tried as an adult or he has to be tried as a juvenile? Why this act? Why this step is not being taken? क्या फर्क होगा बताइए? उससे एज डिटर्मिनेशन की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. When a juvenile is between 16 to 18 years of age, there is a provision as to whether he will be tried as an adult or he will be tried as a juvenile. दोनों में क्या फर्क होगा बताइए? Tell me.
तो हीनियस ऑफेंस का जो भी है 16 to 18 का.
हीनियस ऑफेंस नहीं है 302 है ना? तो फिर आप लोग क्यों नहीं असेसमेंट करते? Why don't you do this assessment? बताइए, क्या फर्क होगा इसमें? पनिशमेंट में क्या फर्क होगा? नहीं पता है ना, लिखा देंगे हम ऑर्डर में कि आपको नहीं
इसमें
पता.
तो है अडल्ट का जो होगा सो लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट नहीं
मतलब
तो उससे कम. हाँ, सजा
काफी अच्छा पनिशमेंट हो सकता है, काफी ज्यादा पनिशमेंट हो सकता है. और इसमें तो 3 ही साल में कहानी खत्म. फिर आप स्टेट है ना, आप ये एक्सरसाइज क्यों नहीं करते?
तेईस कर
बताइए, आपके कौन है डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ प्रोसिक्यूशन? उन्हीं से एफिडेविट करवाएंगे. क्यों नहीं करते हैं ये असेसमेंट? बताइए सर,
Yes, in this case, social
बुलाइए
investi-
बुलाइए मिस्टर पंकज कुमार को बुलाइए, यहाँ पे जुवेनाइल जस्टिस में ये कहानी नहीं चलने देंगे हम लोग। इनका असेसमेंट करा के लेके आइए। क्या आपका क्या चल रहा है? और फाइनल हो गया, जजमेंट ही हो गया।
judgment नहीं हुआ. But in this case, a social
Bail में।
investigation report was called. Bail, not for prayer is for bail.
अच्छा।
Prayer is for bail.
बताइए।
Social investigation report was earlier called for in this case.
ओके,
That is before your lordship. That may be
अलग
said.
से आया है इसमें। क्या है इसमें सोशल इन्वेस्टिगेशन?
And
Juvenile appears to be mature in his age. No negative influence found. किस क्लास में पढ़ता है?
just he has passed the matriculation examination. While he was in jail, the result was published while he was in custody after giving the examination and matriculation.
कब से कस्टडी में?
He is in custody since 22nd of June 2023.
2023. Stage. What is the manner of occurrence?
Yes, that is important. One of the dispute between two families. So the some amount, some lands of the petitioner's family and the deceased family were acquired by the
Read the FIR.
National Highway.
FIR.
Perhaps.
FIR.
I'm sorry, my lord, perhaps the petition, the FIR has not been, next then I will file the, only the appellate's court order has been filed, my lords.
Petitioner is.
This is not a case of pre-planned murder. The entire operation taken place in the spur of the moment. When a meeting was going on between the families for distribution of the amount of the compensation. And as per the first information report, altogether 12 persons, they assaulted the husband of the informant, and he was then shifted to hospital and where he died.
बुरी तरह से पीट पीट के मारा।
All 12 persons are named in the FIR. 12 persons are named in the FIR, including this petitioner. It's not a case of
क्या नाम है इसका? अबू सलमा।
Abu Sama Ansari.
उसी दौरान अबू सहमा उर्फ लाले दौड़कर अपने घर के
चाकू
अंदर
लाया।
गया और अपने हाथ से चाकू
चाकू
लेकर आया और मेरे पति के पंजरा और पीठ में
Ribs।
घोंप दिया, जिससे मेरे पति अचेत हो गए और जमीन पर गिर गया और मर गया।
Gil gaya, and thereafter he was shifted to hospital, my lords, and CCL hospital. Thereafter he died, my lords.
नहीं, इस वक्त आपका केस पे करने
What is the postmortem report? That is important. Whether
पोस्टमार्टम
that
रिपोर्ट
is,
में इंजरी नहीं आया है।
I have not seen, my lords, that diary was whether the this injury was sufficient to cause death, or how many injuries were found. I don't have copy of the postmortem report now. Because altogether 12 persons assaulted.
Sharp cutting weapon, shock से injury, shock of injury से death.
That is the penetrating wound, Maharaj. The
काफी
knife
है.
is the penetrating wound, Maharaj.
अपील और ट्रायल नहीं सुन रहे, बेल सुन रहे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा
But
दिन नहीं
to a
हुआ.
juvenile that who has remained in custody about a year, father is ready to take the
आप कोई 17 साल के थे at the time of occurrence.
at the time of offense. That is there is no previous
Class 10th में आपका date of birth क्या है?
there is no previous conviction also. And the social
There is direct
investigation
allegation,
report is
no,
before your
whatever
lordships
we
also.
Not a
The
case.
father will
Land
take
or
care,
not?
care manners. Father and other family members. This is not a case of pre-planned murder. The entire occurrence had taken place in this spur of the moment.
जिससे पंकज कुमार आए नहीं है क्या? नहीं आए? उनको प्लीज बुलाइए. क्योंकि आप लोग असिस्ट करने में असमर्थ हैं.
The genesis,
आपको क्या बोलना है?
इसमें डायरेक्ट एलिगेशन इसके ऊपर है, चाकू से ही मारा है. डायरेक्ट एलिगेशन.
the genesis of occurrence is very much
देखिए.
important.
Criminal Revision Number 1419 of 2023. Learned counsel for the parties are present. This revision has been filed against the judgment dated 21/9/2023 passed in criminal appeal within bracket juvenile bracket close number 58 of 2023 by learned additional session such 1 cum Children's Court Hazaribagh, whereby the order dated 4/8/2023 passed in Gitti PS case number 73 of 2023 by learned Principal Magistrate Juvenile Justice Board Hazaribagh, refusing bail to the petitioner has been upheld. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the genesis of the offence is long-standing land dispute. Land dispute है?
Land dispute, that this lands of the family of the deceased and the
Long-
prisoners were acquired,
Okay.
and some compensation amount was given.
Long-standing dispute in connection with the acquisition of land by Central Coalfields Limited and
National highway also.
for the construction of National Highway. He has submitted that the social investigation report has not been properly considered and the petitioner was just 17 years of age at the time of occurrence. He has no criminal antecedent. Mr. Pankaj Kumar, I want to know from you, in all the cases of juvenile justice, the juvenile who is between 16 to 18 years of age, is the state not under an obligation to conduct an investigation with regard to the fact whether he has to be tried as an adult or not?
As per section 18, my lord,
Yes.
he has to be the juvenile court will not examine
Yes.
as to whether he should be tried as an adult. Prior to that, 15 section 15,
Yes.
juvenile justice board, and then lord, if the juvenile justice board finds that it requires, lord, because it is a case of 16 to 18 years and the matter is of heinous offence,
Yes.
so he should be tried as an adult, considering that the child is knowing about
Why
the
this
consequences of the
assessment
act.
is not being made? This assessment
Assessment.
is not being made and the state council, whosoever is representing, is not taking steps for this assessment. These persons are being tried just as a juvenile, बस 3 साल का सजा कहानी खत्म. ये एक्सरसाइज क्यों नहीं हो रहा है आपकी तरफ से?
it requires assessment of the age must be because
Yes, in
Because-
case of
because
heinous
we-
offence, he is required to be assessed.
because only if it is a case of heinous offence, if he
Yes.
is tried as a not as an adult,
Yes.
then certainly he will not be.
So
will not be
why
sentenced
this
more
is
than-
not being done?
It has to be done, Lord.
अच्छा, अगर मान लीजिए as a major as an adult उसका trial होता है, then under such circumstances, the trial is conducted by whom?
Children's court.
Children's court.
Yeah.
So in this case it is being tried by the children's
Children's
court.
court.
इसका मतलब ये assessment हुआ होगा इनका?
नहीं, इनका नहीं, जुनाइड बोर्ड का था उसमें ये।
नहीं children,
15
अच्छा
के
juvenile
बाद-
board,
15 के बाद होता
appellate
है।
court है ये.
This is the appellate court.
Appellate
Criminal
court.
appeal, that appeal was preferred against that
The
order.
provisions will not firstly juvenile justice board, then children's court.
That's right.
Children's court will assess, and if the children's court will not find that he is not does not know the consequence of his act, Lord, then he is
No,
again he is-
but this is not being done by the juvenile justice board.
It has to be done.
It has to be done. ऐसे आप लोग नहीं कर सकते, मतलब माहौल बना के रख दिए हैं आप. You made a fun of the law.
2015 का आने का पर्पस ही यही है
Then
कि ऐसे केसेस जो हीनियस हैं और फिर
you
ये
take care of this case and you issue your necessary instructions to your prosecution team that this is absolutely necessary. This is not a solitary case. There are numerous such cases which I am coming across where the child is between 16 to 18 years of age, 376, 302.
Therefore, the modus operandi which is being adopted, that they will not take the plea of juvenility at that stage, and the stage
No,
will
they are
pass.
being tried by the juvenile justice board.
Therefore,
We have taken the
tried by in this
Tried by
case.
juvenile justice board, but they are not being tried as an adult. So consequence is that maximum 3 years punishment.
So whether the
That assessment, whether he is able to understand the nature of offence
and the consequence of
and the consequences of the offence is not being assessed. So the maximum punishment is only 3 years.
if it is a trial by the juvenile board, certainly he
3
will not
years.
be not more than 3 years.
So what are you doing about it? आप इसका ध्यान दीजिए, एक भी केस नहीं आना चाहिए. जहां जहां नहीं हुआ असेसमेंट, सबका असेसमेंट कराइए. Yes.
Certainly इसमें किस तरह से assessment
No, we
किया
will
जाएगा?
take it up on the administrative side also, but you also take care of this. You inform the your prosecution side that they should insist. फिर क्या फायदा हुआ? Amendment is only in the books. The learned counsel appearing on behalf of the state has opposed the prayer and has submitted that the manner that there is direct allegation against the petitioner that he had stabbed the victim, which became a cause of his death. The learned counsel submits that the crime is a heinous offence, and therefore the impugned order does not call for any interference. He also submits that the petitioner was 17 years of age as per the records. He was 17 years of age at the time of occurrence, and he is not aware as to whether any assessment of the petitioner has been made with regard to the fact as to whether he has to be tried as an adult or not, considering the nature of offence involved in the present case. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties and considering the fact that the petitioner is involved in heinous offence and there is direct allegation against the petitioner, this court finds that this court is of the considered view that this court does not find any illegality or perversity in the impugned order passed by the courts, and accordingly there is no merit in this revision, which is hereby dismissed. एक चीज और मिस्टर पंकज, SC/ST वाले केसेस में रिविजन डिस्चार्ज के अगेंस्ट में
ये दो चीजें थोड़ा इसमें कम्प्लिकेशन तब आएगा
here the stamp reporters are here, they have come, file the
कम्प्लिकेशन कब आएगा
हाँ
जब SC/ST एक्ट एंड पॉक्सो दोनों साथ में लगा हुआ है
हाँ
earlier also my lord when the bail was filed an appeal against the order passed by the special court if the matter related to both POXO Act and the SC/ST both are there then it has been decided by collegiate bench in that case I was appearing as a defense counsel that in that case the no appeal will lie rather it will be a regular bail application. My submission would be the same analogy would be here also
that's it.
because
There is a
special-
specific order passed by this court
Yes, with regard to bail.
with regard,
Because-
it is same analogy then.
14A, where if it is specifically a scheduled caste case,
Yes, yes.
then 14A, if it is both case FIR laws against, there also distinction has been made. If the both cases are being tracked separately, distinct charge is framed. Distinct charge अगर frame हो रहा है पॉक्सो में अलग, then also my lord.
नहीं एक ही साथ चल रहा है ना, तो डिस्चार्ज पिटीशन साथ ही साथ चल रहा है।
तो उसमें थोड़ा सा आर्गुमेंट का जरूरत पड़ेगा इसमें क्योंकि
नहीं तो
वो
revision-
बेल में तो डिसाइड हुआ है कि 14A will not
Yes, you
apply.
raised that objection. You see, your PP is saying that in a case where POXO as well as SC/ST is involved and the accused is tried for the offences together, then under such circumstances, the regular bail application is maintainable